Magandang araw ka sa video na ito. Usapang free agency. Actually, pag-uusapan natin si Troy Rosario pa rin kabola. Confirm nyo naman, di ba? Free agent na siya. And then of course, a lot of things happening around PBA and around Philippine basketball kabola. Yung mga pag-uusapan natin. So, hindi pa nakasubscribe. Pakipindot naman po subscription bola. Let's start po with the comments ng mga fans. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Again, salamat po sa pagpapa-shoutout. Malyari Mascareñas naman, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you. In my opinion, palitan na si Calant. Walang mabuting nadulot sa Game 4-3. Sunod na ang talo nila. Sure na si Kate Flores. Sabi niya dito. So, we will see, kabola, kung sure. Ginamit mo kasi yung term na sure Wala pa yan, kabola, Wala pa naririnig sa mga legit nating sources. Fernando Panilio, matanda na sila Sanggalang at bata si Aranya. Di mangyayari yan, di naman farm team ang converge. I do agree, kabola, a straight swap of Sanggalang to Arana, kabola. I doubt that will happen, kabola. Pero pag magdagdag siguro ang Ateneo, magdagdag po ang Magnolia, baka may mangyayari po yan. Speaking of Ateneo, no excuses for Ateneo's 1-6 start to AIP. Say stop, kabola. So, yun. Fortunately for Coach Tab Baldwin, he just delivered basically his first round performance ng kanyang team. Actually, di naman kainaan yung team niya Bata lang talaga, pero hindi naman mahina. Pero still, it is a bad record for him. Although it makes it easier siguro for him to be replaced, it will also make it easier for him to finally depart Philippine kabola. Now, nanalo po ang Rain or Shine kontra Magnolia. So, Rain or Shine will now go to the semifinals. It was a very entertaining series between Magnolia and Rain or Shine. Actually, Magnolia, pag ito-total mo yung panalo nila, kabola, the differences, mas mataas pa rin yan kaysa differences po ng panalo po actually ng Rain or Shine. Pero Rain or Shine managed to win 3 games, kabola. And legit, kabola, this will be a very, very good learning experience for Rain or Shine. Kasi sobrang tight ng contest, Kung ito ang maging dahilan or kung matalo po ng Rain or Shine ng TNT in the semis, one of the reason is this tight quarterfinal series po with Magnolia. Their young core learned a lot from this one. I mean, Magnolia really provided a lot of things for them, kabola, Sa experience nila, maraming natutunan dyan. One guy that really showed up is of course Karakot, kabola. A lot of praises given towards him now. Clutch shots after clutch shots. I think tatlo yung clutch shots po na deliver niya, kabola. And kaya deserve naman niya po, nasabihan po ni Coach Yang Giao that he is now the future, kabola, of the point guard position nitong Rain or Shine. So deserve po yan, kabola, nitong si Karakot. And of course, we know that they still have a lot of other young guys out there, kabola, that can really make their future very bright. And again, respect to Coach Yang Giao, still the best one in developing players. Now, PBA confirms meeting with Morales, sanction to be determined. So, walang masyadong additional details. Actually, yan na yun Yan na yun point niyan, kabola. Nag-meeting na sila, kinausap. At the end of the day, what could be, di ba? Nag-sorry din siya, sabi niya, pero yung iba pa namin na pag-usapan, hindi ko na pwedeng sabihin. Sabi niya, so nag-sorry, so what kung nag-sorry, kabola? Nag-sorry, bibigyan niya ulit ng pagkakataon na makabalik sa PBA. I'm pretty sure a lot of fans will not be happy if they will hear, kabola, na makakabalik pa si Troy. I see Amores. By the way, Troy Rosario, kabola, is interested daw talaga to be part of Ginebra, pero wala daw pa pong offer ang Barangay Ginebra. Now, Ginebra fans, I'm pretty sure you're excited to hear this, pero do not also be shocked, kabola, if Ginebra will not make an offer. Bakit? Because of Coach Tim Cone's way of constructing roster, kabola, diba? They just made a big trade, kabola, in the offseason, and yes, they may not win the championship, halimbawa lang, in this Governors Cup, pero that may not still be enough for Coach Tim Cone to pull, kabola, and add another major piece, kabola. Kasi ganyan si Coach Tim Cone He also values chemistry, kabola. So, yan yung potential na reason kung bakit hindi sila mag-offer. Pero, of course, the expectation still is for them to make an offer, and they will become the front runner the moment they make an offer at par, kabola, with the financial offer po ng TNT at San Miguel. Kung mga bola sa palagay mo, saan kaya mapupunta si Troy Rosario? Comment lang po sa baba.